Often mistaken for butterflies, these large colourful insects are a tropical rainforest moth. They're active by day, flying around the rainforest from ground level and up into the tree canopy, sipping on nectar from flowers using their long proboscis. When they do take rest, their wings are outspread, unlike a butterfly. Because they emerge from pupation as adult moths, the nectar they sip from flowers is used for energy and not for growth. As they feed, zodiac moths help to pollinate plants, but just as importantly, they are a food source for various creatures, including birds, insect-eating bats, and some lizards. Remember to subscribe, and if you liked this video, give it the thumbs up.